Isabel Planels from Canary Islands. I'm making a project that converts a novel. In this case, it is the book After Dark, written by Haruki Murakami, into an universe full of stars. Each constellation you will see represents a sentence of the book. Each sentence is read sequentially and creates a star from each word. The position of the star and its color depends on what type of word it is. If it is a noun, a verb, an adjective, and so on. There are 36 different types of words. Every time a star is born, a note from a piano is played. The pitch also means what type of word it represents. So when you start it, you will see the creation of the stars making music, all representing the novel. With a keyboard, you can fly between the stars and enjoy the book in a really different way. Now let's watch it. So now imagine if you could represent your book, a text, or whatever you want and have it hanging on the wall of your company as a piece of real-time art. Wouldn't it be wonderful? Please contact me if you want me to design a unique piece of art for you. And don't forget to give me a like, share this video, and leave a comment if you like. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.